Walk is a brand new neighborhood from Smith Douglas in Cartersville, and today I'm here with Sherry. And Sherry, it is great to be here, and I would love for you to first of all talk about this location because it is incredible.
This location is awesome. I mean, we're close to everything. You have great restaurants close by. You have farm-to-table restaurants, which is a big thing now. You also have museums, parks. I mean, the location is phenomenal. So you're like 2.5 miles from everything. So it's a great location.
Well, Sherry, all of these homes are townhomes. So what can you tell us about the interior features?
So they're all 3 bedrooms, Greer, 2.5 bath, ranging from 1719 square feet to 1933 square feet. They have great spacious bedrooms, gourmet kitchens, and again, it's your choice. That's the best thing about these townhomes. You choose whatever feature that's important to you and your family.
Well, Sherry, this is an intimate community of townhomes. So how many townhomes will be in this neighborhood? And then where does the price point start?
Greer, we have 45 townhomes. As you say, it's very intimate. The price point is going to start from the mid to high 200s.
Well, Sherry, if people want to find out more, what's the best way to do that?
You can call me at 678-557-3133, or you can reach us on the web at smithdouglas.com.
Well, Sherry, thanks so much for being here with me today. I loved learning more about this townhome community. And if you want a townhome in Cartersville, then you definitely want to check out Felton Walk by Smith Douglas Homes, where it's your home, your choice, within reach.